Hey everyone, welcome to the official HackPSU YouTube channel. My name is Andrea and I'm here with Clay, and we are the current co-executive directors of HackPSU, a 24-hour student-run hackathon that takes place every fall and spring semester at Penn State University main campus. As some of you may know, we unfortunately had to cancel HackPSU Spring 2020 due to the coronavirus. And we just want to thank our attendees and our sponsors for being so understanding with this tough decision. In the past few months, we've seen the world come together to make personal sacrifices for the lives of others. And our hearts truly go out to everyone who's been affected by this horrible pandemic. During this time, I think it's safe to say that we've all really come to appreciate living in a world of technology. As Penn State students, we've been fortunate enough to continue our education online. However, we do know that some companies have unfortunately had to cancel summer internships or even rescind job offers from college graduates. And this obviously really hits home to us. So if you have any free time this summer, stay tuned on our channel. We will be bringing you workshops similar to those that we would normally hold at HackPSU, brought to you by members of the HackPSU team, many of which are from the College of Information Sciences and Technology or the School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science. And they all, of course, have hackathon experience, which is really valuable in the tech world. We really want to help students come out of this with confidence in their ability to succeed. As an education-focused hackathon, HackPSU always strives to create opportunities for students to learn and develop, and this time's really no different. We hope that our workshops can help you advance your technical skills to apply to your career, or even give you ideas for your own personal projects and potentially hackathon projects. Also, feel free to suggest any tech topics that you want to learn about in the comment section below. Alright, that's it. Thanks you guys. Hope to see you again on the channel soon.